welcome back to the Tristan channel. In this video I'll be continuing my Red Dead Legends series. In this video I'll be talking about the famous Cattleman Revolver, a popular revolver used by the main characters Arthur Morgan and John Marston, as well as a few of the gang members. The history of the firearm is nothing short of fascinating, showcasing the ingenuity and innovation of humankind over the centuries. One such iconic firearm is the Cattleman Revolver, which holds a special place in the annals of American history. Developed and refined during the 19th century, the Cattleman Revolver became an essential tool for frontiersmen, lawmen and outlaws alike, shaping the narrative of the Wild West. This video delves into the history of the Cattleman Revolver, its origins, significance and lasting impact on American culture. The Cattleman Revolver traces its roots back to Samuel Colt's groundbreaking invention of the revolver in the early 1830s. Colt's invention laid the foundation for the development of numerous revolvers in the years that followed. The Colt single-action army revolver, also known as the SAA or the Peacemaker, served as a primary inspiration for the Cattleman Revolver. Influenced by the Colt single-action army's design, various firearms manufacturers sought to create their own versions of this efficient and reliable sidearm. One such manufacturer was the Italian firearms company Fabbrica di M. Pietro Beretta SPA. It is through their collaboration with a Uberti and well-regarded Italian firearms manufacturer that the Cattleman Revolver was brought to life. The Cattleman Revolver gained immense popularity during the latter half of the 19th century for several reasons. Firstly, its robust and reliable design made it a favourite among cowboys, lawmen and outlaws who depended on their firearms for survival and protection. Its simplicity of use, durability and ability to fire successive rounds without reloading made it a staple for those traversing the rugged and often dangerous territory of the American West. Additionally, the Cattleman Revolver's introduction coincided with the rise of frontier culture and the spread of ranching industry. The revolver's name itself, Cattleman, reflects its close association with cowboys and ranchers. Its use by iconic figures such as Wyatt Earp, Billy the Kid, and Buffalo Bill Cody further enhanced its allure and legendary status. The Cattleman Revolver seamlessly integrated into the culture, folklore and popular imagination of the Wild West. Over time, the Cattleman Revolver underwent various improvements and adaptations to meet the changing needs of its user. Originally chambered for the .45 Colt cartridge, it later accommodated other ammunition types such as .44 40 Winchester and .38 40 WCF. These adaptations allowed the revolver to remain relevant even as newer firearms emerged. Despite the advent of more advanced firearm technologies, the Cattleman Revolver's legacy endured well beyond the Wild West era. Its continued popularity among shooting sports enthusiasts and collectors is a testament to its timeless design and iconic status. Moreover, several modern firearms manufacturers continue to produce replicas of the Cattleman revolver, preserving its place as a beloved symbol of American history. The Cattleman revolver embodies the spirit of the Wild West and has left an indelible mark on American culture. Its origins as an offshoot of the cult single Action Army, its significant popularity during the 19th century, and its evolution to meet the needs of the time speak to its enduring legacy. The Cattleman revolver stands as a defining artifact of an era marked by adventure, risk, and the triumph of law and order in the face of lawlessness. Unless changed by the choice of the player, both Arthur Morgan and John Marston have or start off with the Cattleman revolver. And if you like this video, hit the like and all things Red Dead. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe. It'd be great to have you here. Until next video, take care and be well.